Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be replacing the rear hatch struts on a 2009 Subaru Outback. I picked them up off of Amazon. Shouldn't be a big deal, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is we need to remove this cover so we can get to this nut right here to remove this strut. So it's there's like a Phillip. It looks like it's a Phillip screw. It's really not. Just loosen it up a little bit. It's a plug, and all you need to do is kind of loosen it up a little bit. Take a screwdriver and kind of pull it out of there, and you'll end up with this. And we've seen this in a lot of other projects. So go ahead, do the same thing down here. Just kind of pull that out of there, like that. And again, you got the same thing going on. So all this is just a cover. It doesn't remove the tail light. So you just need to get in there with your screwdriver. Just kind of remove that plate. Now, if you wanted to remove the tail light, you've got two 10mm bolts right here to remove, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to remove this bottom piece right here that holds the strut in. So this is a 12mm. All right, next, take your 10mm socket and remove this bracket. Get that out of the way. So when you buy these, they come as a pair, and there is a difference on the left and right. So make sure that you match them up before you install it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install this bottom piece here with a little ball that it rides on. They come pre-greased, so I'm going to install this, and then I'm going to go ahead and snap the strut onto it. All right, so now we'll put the snap that strut on. All right, next, just go ahead and take your strut, just kind of set it over that ball there and give it a little push, and there you go. And now let's go ahead and install the top half. There we go. And then go ahead and put that cover back on. And remember those little plugs there, just kind of pull that Phillip end out there. It's not really a Phillip screw, but kind of pull that out a little bit. Snap that back in. Put that plug back in like that. Do the same thing with this. There we go. All right, got that all set. Now let's just duplicate the same thing on the other side. Well, there it is, not a whole lot to it. Again, when you get these, make sure that you understand that there is a difference between the left and right. Otherwise, they're just not going to line up properly. So I hope this helps, and stay tuned for the next one.